student graduating in 2026 or 2027 and need money right now, plus real experience? These work from home jobs and paid internships, including remote jobs plus hybrid opportunities, are built specifically for students like you. So you can start earning money online immediately. Quick note, these are legitimate paid opportunities, no scams, no nonsense. Okay, college builders, what most students don't realize, some of these are high-paying internships with the federal government and Fortune 500 healthcare companies, including remote and hybrid roles. I actually went out and found these opportunities myself, so I'm going to break down which ones are fully remote, which ones are hybrid, and how students can qualify while still in college. Before we get into it, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Diamond with Diamond Hunter Enterprises. I'm a federal government contractor and financial business strategist. If I would have known this information in my late teens as a high school senior or while I was in college, I would have used the same formula I'm sharing with you today. My path was a little different than most. I knew early on that entrepreneurship was my destiny, and in my early 20s, a senior in college, my company chose me. And I'm saying that from experience. I was able to make money online and earn money online early on. And I want you to understand that if it happened for one, it can happen for more. In this video, I'm going to break down A, fully remote opportunities students can do from anywhere. B, hybrid internships that pay while still in college. C, government and Fortune 500 healthcare opportunities most students overlook. And D, and how students can qualify for these roles without already having years of experience. So grab your caramel macchiato and let's dive in. I'm going to turn my screen now and show you the opportunities I personally found. Job number 1, employment specialist role on Monday, January 5th, 2026. This is an urgent hire for a federal government contractor, Maximus. They are a large company that just won a huge contract. This role works for students if you have a high school diploma or in college or about to start college. And if you are seeking full-time employment, you qualify. This is a 100% remote job, work from home, full-time. Maximus is currently looking for an employment specialist to join the Montana Employment and Training Project. The role collaborates with case managers, outreach liaisons, as well as participants on the program. The role also includes case management, job development, placement, and retention services. Our mission is to empower participants to succeed in the workforce by enhancing their skills, prioritizing employment opportunities, and fostering long-term job retention. The caveat here, this is a remote role that requires you to live in Montana. Don't let that deter you from applying. Why Maximus? Read all the benefits right here. What will be your essential duties and responsibilities? Promote working relationships and customers, monitor engagement and progress. Basically, what I gather from this particular role, you will be working with individuals that were laid off for a period of time and they need to be rehabbed back into employment. It's simple as that. Assist customers to acquire services to facilitate program goals, educational and or vocational training. They may be on Medi-Cal for different reasons, unemployed, disabled, or they may need childcare, transportation. They come from a substance abuse, mental health type programs. Maybe they have child support establishment, cases where the parent owed child support. You'll be helping individuals of this kind in the social services arena. Be people-oriented, maintain accurate and timely case notes on all customer contacts, and document activities. Do you like going to outreach and engagement efforts? This is where the travel up to 10% of the time is required due to the fact you may be required to attend staff meeting. The minimum requirements: high school diploma, 2 to 4 years of experience. What maximum seek is this? Resume building. Mock interview workshops preferred. If you're good at resume building or helping others, your experience will satisfy the 2 years of experience. This position is fully remote and will require home office requirements. Moving along, take a screenshot of the minimum salary and the maximum salary. Maximums pay really well. Job number 2, Centene Corporation. They are a federal government contractor. They work primarily with Department of Veterans Affairs. I know Centene very well. It's a great corporation to work for. Strategic IT Portfolio Management Intern. This is more of an internship or early career role with remote or hybrid options depending on location. Business area is for students and grads. Full-time. Date posted January 5th, 2026. It is an urgent fill. Perfect if you want to earn money online, gain real experience, and still stay focused on school. Description: you could be the one who changes everything for our 28 million members as an intern at Centene during this 12-week program. How we are transforming the health of the community one person at a time. Their slogan is one person at a time. The position purpose: learn about various processes and functions within the managed care industry and develop professionally by contributing to projects that support the business. Join a cross-functional team that helps the organization understand how to prioritize from a technology perspective, gain a strong understanding of how things fit together, and understanding the organization from a big picture standpoint. Notice the skills required. They are definitely realistic and student-friendly. I like relationship management. It's nice to have, as this is a visible role within the department. Communicate project status as a program project manager, though it mentions portfolio management. So you will communicate results to staff mentors and management. Research various legal, regulatory, and other topics within the functional area and industry. Performs other duties as assigned and complies with all policies and standards. The education and experience: bachelor's degree or equivalent, undergraduate coursework completed, must be enrolled in a graduate program at an accredited university or college, and a field related to the hiring department through the internship period. It is nice if you have prior work experience, but not necessary. The internship is a 12-week program, so apply as soon as possible. Here's the pay. Pay is magnificent. Pause and take screenshots. You must be authorized to work in the U.S. without the need for employment-based visa and sponsorship now or in the future. Centene offers a comprehensive benefits package including competitive pay, health insurance, stock purchase plans, tuition reimbursement, paid time off plus holidays, and a flexible approach to work with remote, hybrid, field, or office work schedules. They are willing to work with you, students. And actual pay will be adjusted based on the individual's skills, experience, education, and other job-related factors permitted by law, including full-time or part-time status. Total compensation may also include additional forms of incentives. Benefits may be subject to program eligibility. There are 5 locations: California, Illinois, Missouri, North Carolina, and Texas. Job number 3. I like this role: Human Resources Consulting Intern. The location is Washington, D.C., United States. Is ARP. Do you enjoy helping empower people 50 and older to choose how they live as they age? With a nationwide presence, ARP strengthens communities for what matters most to the more than 100 million Americans, 50 plus, in their family's health and financial security, personal fulfillment. ARP also works for individuals in the marketplace by sparking new solutions and allowing carefully chosen high quality products and services to carry the ARP name as a trusted source for news and information. ARP produces the nation's largest circulation publications. They're well known in magazines and also ARP bulletins. As a human resources consulting intern located in Washington, D.C., this role will offer a lot more benefits being an internship, whereas when you graduate, you can, if you like the intern position, you can literally get hired on full time. Look at the pay. Pause and take screenshots. Join ARP's HR consulting and organization design team for a dynamic rotational internship opportunity. We're seeking a professional, enthusiastic, and innovative student to join us. As a human resources intern, you'll dive into HR areas such as employee relations, HR business partner, HR governance, and organization design and development. Take this opportunity to develop and gain practical HR skills in a challenging and rewarding environment. Apply now to kickstart your career journey with ARP. This paid internship has an anticipated start date of spring 2026 and can continue through the end of the year with the potential for extension. Wow, guys. Responsibilities. Assist with facilitating communication between employees and management. Support addressing employee concerns and workplace conflicts. Contribute to change management initiatives, employee listening strategy. Assist with preparing and reviewing documentation, disciplinary actions, and performance issues. Track and report. Support the implementation and review of HR policies and standard operating procedures, SOAPs. Assist in reviewing organization structures and processes to identify opportunities for improved business unit design, efficiency, and effectiveness. Help with facilitation, planning, and assist with employee engagement activities. Participate in HR projects, initiatives, and events. May conduct research on HR-related topics and present findings to HR team members. The qualifications must be enrolled in a degree program at an accredited college or university as an undergraduate, junior, or senior, graduate student, or postdoctoral student and remain academically enrolled throughout the internship or must have previously graduated from college and enrolled in a continuing education program. The preference is given to graduate or postdoctorate students who are pursuing studies in human resources, organization behavior, or similar disciplines. Have an eagerness to learn, collaborate, and contribute to various HR projects, ability to maintain confidentiality, handle sensitive information with discretion is essential, ability to demonstrate analytical skills and remain organized in a fast-paced environment, proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. If you are seeing opportunities you didn't even know existed, tap the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more students like you. All right, this is the bonus opportunity I didn't plan to include for students graduating in 2026. Cenos Health is well known. It is a Fortune 500 healthcare organization with sister companies. The graduate training program was updated January 6, 2026. Location, New York, New York. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Here we are with the description. You are organized, driven, and thrive in an ownership position. Cenos Health welcome graduating seniors to apply for their graduate training program. This is not a contract or rotational program. It's full-time permanent position from day one. Participants in the graduate training program are hired directly into their public relations team with no need for a second offer or reapplication at the end of the program. Our graduate trainees are junior level hires, and upon graduation of the program at the 1-year mark, you see that? All GTs are considered for a promotion pending individual performance. This is an amazing opportunity to jumpstart your career. what you'll experience. The graduate training program is designed to support your transition from college to career by combining hands-on experience with structural learning. We have exciting opportunities that include roles across our PR business, including our PR agencies, digital and social strategy, corporate affairs, and new business operations. You will contribute to meaningful work with innovative teams who work each and every day to develop strategic go-to-market programs and pharmaceutical and over-the-counter brands. Create unique disease awareness initiatives or experiences for patients, advocacy, healthcare providers that effect meaningful change and inform strategies for how to engage healthcare clients to optimize diversity and inclusion to lead to health, equity, and access. Training and development. Throughout your first year, you'll participate in a curated training curriculum led by internal and external experts. Courses include PR 101, business etiquette, writing skills, Pharma 101, research, social media, and more. These sessions are designed to deepen your understanding of your industry and accelerate your growth. For more information, check out our GT program webpage, Graduate Training Program at CNOS Health Career US. Requirements. BA/BS degree in communications, liberal arts, business marketing, or sciences with little to no professional full-time experience. Have a degree and be available to commence employment in June of 2026. Desired requirements: demonstrated strong written, verbal, and organization skills, high energy, enthusiastic, and a strong interest in healthcare public relations. Recruitment process: applications accepted and first round interviews to take place on a rolling basis. Second round interviews to take place during a virtual assessment day occurring in February and March. The assessment day will consist of interviews as well as a writing test and a group brainstorm activity. Individuals would only need to take part in one assessment day. That's great news, students. Factors such as the candidate's qualification, skills, and competencies, proficiency for the role. We'll pause right here and take screenshots. I'm highlighting the wonderful compensation, which is very strong for a graduate level role. If you're graduating soon and want stability, growth, and a real career path, this is the one you don't want to sleep on. Remember, deadlines are very important. February and March 2026, the assessment day will consist of interviews as well as writing tests and group brainstorm activity. Individuals will only need to take part one assessment day. Drop your college in the comments. Want to see where my future go-getters are watching from? And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell for more real ways to earn money online and make money online while you are in school or getting ready to graduate.